Hello friends, I'm near the Honda CR-V 2014 and just a quick video to show you how you open the fuel cap in this car. So to open the fuel cap, like in many cars, you would push this door, gas door, and you don't open it. So here is the lock that works for this door. You need to pull it and now the door is open. Now the door is open, you can open it. And then to fill it with some gas, you will need to unscrew this and you can put it right here. You can put it here and now you can use the nozzle or whatever, or canister, whatever you have, to put some fuel in it. Then when you're finished, you just make like that until you hear the clicks. And then don't forget to close this door. Now the door is closed and you can't open it from outside.